boys!
I'm Scribbles.
And I'm Gibby.
And we're your head counselors this summer. Session's 2 weeks away.
And we're so excited to see you guys.
We're going to show you some helpful things to pack for camp.
First things first, you want to bring one of your most awesome t-shirts.
Maybe even a few. Next, make sure to bring some warm clothing, such as sweatpants.
Or a nice hoodie.
Maybe even a crew neck. Next, you want to bring a nice outfit. Girls, maybe a dress for Flower Sunday or banquet.
Boys, bring a nice colored shirt, like a button-up, or whatever you have.
Next, be sure to bring a hat for under the sun.
And while we're talking about SPF, don't forget to bring that sunscreen.
Also make sure to bring a water bottle.
And some bug spray. Those bugs bite.
Next, make sure you bring some closed-toed shoes. Campers might like Crocs for walking down the lake.
Next, make sure to bring your Bible.
And last but not least, if you have a costume, feel free to bring one. But if not, we've got an awesome costume closet waiting for you.
See you soon!
Woo!